Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Today we'll delve into the life of an intimate devotee of Baba, Sri Dasgana Maharaj, who composed some of the most heartfelt poems dedicated to Baba. These compositions, which we sing daily during Baba's Aartis, are filled with devotion and deep meaning. We'll also explore the circumstances that inspired Das Ganuji to compose and sing these songs spontaneously in front of Baba. Sri Das Ganu Maharaj, a close and intimate devotee of Shirdi Sai Baba, has gifted us with numerous books and verses that continue to inspire and guide devotees. Among his remarkable contributions are Sai Harikatha, a compilation of 7 chapters from Dasgana Maharaj's works, Bhakti Saramrit, Bhakti Leelamrit, and Sant Kathamrit. This work provides insight into Baba's childhood, his time with his Guru, and his arrival in Shirdi. Shirdi Majhe Pandharpur, a beautiful verse by Sri Dasgana Maharaj, included in Sai Baba's Aarti. Sai Rehem Nazar Karna, a touching verse sung during Sai Baba's Aarti. Rehem Nazar Karo Abu More Sai, another deeply moving verse sung during Sai Baba's Aarti. Sri Sainath Staman Manjari, a stotra composed by Sri Dasgada Maharaj on Ganesh Chaturthi day in 1918. In future episodes, we'll discuss this great devotee of Baba in greater detail. Today, let us reflect on two profoundly emotional and heartfelt poems composed by Sri Dasgada Maharaj. These timeless compositions, sung during Kakadarthi in Shirdi and Sai Baba temples worldwide, hold a special place in the hearts of devotees. The profound depth and devotion expressed in these bhajans result from moments of surrender and deep connection with Baba. Let us explore the circumstances that inspired Dasgana Maharajji to create these offerings. The details are taken from the Gujarati translated book Sri Sai Sarovar. Sri Dasgana Maharaj was one of the Baba's closest devotees, but his journey to complete surrender was not without struggles. Initially, he resisted Baba's advice to leave his police job. Ambition and stubbornness drove him to ignore Baba's repeated warnings that his occupation would obstruct his spiritual progress. When Dasganu was promoted to sub-inspector, he abandoned all thoughts of resignation. After his promotion, he began avoiding visiting Baba, fearing that Baba would again ask him to quit his job. However, Baba, being omniscient, knew what was in Dasganu's heart. One day, Baba intercepted him near Lendi Bagh and lovingly reminded him of the difficulties he would face if he continued in his role. Despite Baba's warnings, Dasganu assured him he would resign after assuming his new responsibilities. Unfortunately, Dasganu soon encountered severe challenges in his new role, which led to his suspension. Heartbroken and repentant, he rushed to Shirdi, fell at Baba's feet, and begged forgiveness. Overwhelmed with emotion, Dasganuji spontaneously composed and sang the poignant Rehem Nazar Karo before Baba. Shortly thereafter, he composed another moving bhajan, Sai Rehem Nazar Karna, expressing his complete surrender and devotion to Baba's will. Baba, in his infinite compassion, forgave Dasganu and assured him that he would always care for him and his family. Baba fulfilled his promise, ensuring Dasganu never lacked food, clothing, or support. Dasganuji finally left his job permanently and dedicated his life to spreading Baba's teachings through kirtans and pujas across Maharashtra. Baba blessed him with a long and fulfilling life, enabling him to serve until he was 95. Baba emphasized the importance of singing and reciting kirtans with understanding and heartfelt devotion. As mentioned in Sri Sai Satcharita, every mantra and prayer should be performed with sincerity and meaning, for it is through such faith that we align ourselves with Baba's grace and receive his divine guidance. Once we recite these poems, reflect on their meanings, and seek Baba's blessings, The lyrics of the first poem is like this. साई रहम नजर करना, बच्चों का पालन करना. साई रहम नजर करना, बच्चों का पालन करना. जाना तुमने जगत पसारा, सब ही झूठ जमाना. जाना तुमने जगत पसारा, सब ही झूठ जमाना. साई रहम नजर करना, बच्चों का पालन करना. मैं अंधा हूँ बंदा आपका, मुझको प्रभु दिखलाना. मैं अंधा हूँ बंदा आपका, मुझको प्रभु दिखलाना. साई रहम नजर करना, बच्चों का पालन करना. दास गण कहे अब क्या बोलूं, थक गई मेरी रसना. दास गण कहे अब क्या बोलूं, थक गई मेरी रसना. साई रहम नजर करना, बच्चों का पालन करना. Now let us see the meaning of this poem. Sai Baba, please have a merciful eye, take care of the children. You are omniscient. The entire world is an illusion, Maya. I am your blind, ignorant child. Please lead me to self realization. Das Ganu says, what more can I sing in your praise? My words are limited. Now let us see the lyrics of the second poem. रहम नजर करो अब मोरे साई, तुम बिन नहीं मुझे माँ बाप भाई. रहम नजर करो, मैं अंधा हूँ बंदा तुम्हारा. मैं अंधा हूँ बंदा तुम्हारा. मैं ना जानू, मैं ना जानू, मैं ना जानू अल्लाह इलाही. रहम नजर करो अब मोरे साई, तुम बिन नहीं मुझे माँ बाप भाई. रहम नजर करो. खाली जमाना मैंने गवाया, खाली जमाना मैंने गवाया. साथी आखिर का, साथी आखिर का, साथी आखिर का किया ना कोई. रहम नजर करो अब मोरे साई, तुम बिन नहीं मुझे माँ बाप भाई. रहम नजर करो. अपने मस्जिद का झाड़ू गणू है, अपने मस्जिद का झाड़ू गणू है. मालिक हमारे, मालिक हमारे, मालिक हमारे तुम बाबा साई. रहम नजर करो अब मोरे साई, तुम बिन नहीं मुझे माँ बाप भाई. रहम नजर करो. Now let us see the meaning of this poem. Baba, please have a merciful eye on me, O my Sai. Without you, I have no one, no mother, father, or brother. I am blind, your ignorant child. I do not know any God but you. I wasted my time aimlessly, and in the end, I have no companion but you. I am merely a broom of this masjid. You are the true master of all of us. Baba, please have a merciful eye on me. Attending Kakadarati is an experience I cherish deeply whenever I visit Shirdi. During these sacred moments, the heart-touching bhajans composed by Sri Dasgana Maharaj, along with other beautiful compositions by devotees like Adkarji, B.V. Devji, Bhishmaji, and Sri Sant Upasani Maharaj, fill the atmosphere with profound devotion. The sheer depth of these bhajans often moves me to tears, whether I hear them in Shirdi, other Sai Baba temples, or even while singing them at home. In moments of difficulty, whether due to health or life's challenges, these bhajans provide immense courage and confidence, reminding me of Baba's constant presence and protection. Let us offer our heartfelt gratitude to Sri Dasgana Maharaj for these divine compositions and worship Baba for his eternal blessings. These spiritual gems inspire us to surrender to Baba's will and stay steadfast on the righteous path. May we always live under Baba's protection and grace. We will meet again in the next episode with another inspiring story of Baba's compassion and love. Om Sai Ram.